How to turn on any laptop without using the power button. Hello everyone, and let's get started. You can turn on the laptop using your cable or the LAN cable. It also depends upon the features that is available in your BIOS, but you have to make some changes on your BIOS settings. So for that, first of all, open or press F2 key to open the settings. After that, from your keyboard, go to the power management. Thereby, you will see different options that you can set up on the laptop. You will see options such as Wake Up LAN and other power management tools. Select on the option by which you can turn on your laptop. After that, you have to enable the settings on LAN or any other system that you want. After that, restart your PC, and just by that, you can turn on the laptop without the power button. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.